Pressure washing. I've got to do it about every year and a half to 2 years. My driveway gets so black with soot and tar and moss that ordinary garden hose just doesn't do it. I've got to bring out the pressure washer and put the water under pressure over that tar, black soot, and be able to clean it off. And that's what God does with us. We have normal living where things go along fairly smoothly, but from time to time, He puts us under a specific pressure. And that pressure is for our good. Every one of us knows that what we are today in the noble character that we may have came as a result of something that put us under pressure and developed in us something that we thought we could never achieve. I'm thinking of people who are studying for the medical exam, or an architect that's under pressure to get the building finished and keep the contract. The list goes on. And yet God spiritually puts us under pressure so that we can benefit from it. You remember the story of Philip in the Bible? It said that there was the need to feed the multitudes. I believe there was around 5,000, not counting women and children. And Jesus asked Philip, where are we going to get the means to feed such a multitude? And I love that scripture because it says he knew what he was going to do. He didn't tell Philip, but he wanted to test Philip and put pressure on him to see if Philip could come up with a solution. And that solution is, when under pressure, trust God to get you out of that pressure. Stay the course. Believe it's there for a reason. Don't despair. Trust God and say, God, help me through this pressure cooker so that when I come out on the other end, I could be a better man or woman or child than I was before. Endure pressure like a good soldier, Paul tells us, to run the race and to finish it and be faithful to the end. Pressure is for our advantage, even though we hate to be under pressure. I leave you with this word to pause and ponder.